Face washes made with the right combination of ingredients can avoid unwanted side effects and improve your overall skin health. People with dry skin often get scared from using chemical face wash, as they tend to dry the face a lot. Try this homemade face wash for dry skin, which helps to restore the natural moisture balance of the face. Before we go ahead with these simple remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Ingredients: curd. The lactic acid in the curd helps to prevent wrinkles and tightens your skin. Organic honey. Honey has skin brightening properties and also lends a healthy moisturized glow to the face after usage. How to use. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of curd and add 1 teaspoon of organic honey to it. Mix this pack well and apply it all over the face, then keep for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. One can also add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. If you have very dry skin, you can follow up with your toning and moisturizing as usual. This cleanser can be used on a regular basis, as it is very mild on the skin. This works great to remove suntan, blackheads, whiteheads, acne and give you clean, clear and glowing skin. This will brighten your complexion and it works magic on your skin. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.